Yes, guys. So till now we have done the inner joins by using only an equal to operator, only on the equal to operator, that is matching rows using an equal to operator. So now in this task we are going to use the other operators than equal to operator, like we can use a greater than operator, less than operator, not equal to operator to a join condition. So I got two tables here. One is order details table and the product table. So the matching column between these two is your product code, and here we have a product code. So if you look at the one of the row, that is S101678, the product code for this, the MSRP. So this is called a manufacturing suggested retail price. So they are suggesting to sell this as $95.70. But when it comes to orders here, so for 71678 product code, you have so many orders. You can see these are the orders we got for this product code, but the price is different. The price is not what they have mentioned. The price is somewhat like 81, 86, 90, and so on. So what we are going to use here is, I want to fetch out the details where your manufacturing suggested retail price is greater than the price each by using a inner join, and we have to use a greater than operator. So I want manufacturing suggested retail price should be greater than the price each. Price each. Yeah. So this is your task. Come on, think for 1 or 2 seconds and then we'll proceed further. Let me give in detail again. For product code, specifically for product code S10 underscore 1678. So I'm selecting the columns using a select. So let me select the column names later on. From the product table, I'll rename this as P. I'm using a inner join. Actually, this is a products, okay, products table. And let me use a inner join. Order details as O on. So first let me specify the condition, that is product table, product code. You can see order details, product code, and the product table uh, product code are matching. So first P dot product code is matching with O dot product code. I hope this is clear. Now I'm using an AND operator because I want to apply a condition where your MSRP is greater than price each. So after specifying the matching condition, that is matching column, I want to use an AND operator. Here P dot MSRP should be greater than O dot price each, and they are saying for a specific product code, for only this product code. So here I want to copy this just to save some time. Here I'm using a where clause and applying a condition where your product code from the products table product code should be equal to this code. Let me put that in a quote. Okay, now I am using a columns, that is your order number. I want the product name, and I want the MSRP as well as price each. That's it. Let me execute this. Yeah, now you can see that for the product 1678, these are all the orders, and this is your product name, and the suggested retail price is this much, and the price is this much. and you are getting the rows which where the MSRP is greater than the price each. If you like this video guys, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.